Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a grammatical topic called as tenses. That you must have learned in the previous classes that tenses are of three types. Today we are going to do the same. First type is present tense, second past tense, and third future tense. It is having further four types each. So today we are going to do the first type of simple present, simple past and simple future in this video. The very first point, simple present tense. As you know, present means what is going on this time. That is called the present. Simple present tense. First of all, as you can see over here, three rules are written. Positive, subject plus, first form of the verb plus s or es, and object. Negative tense is written subject plus do not or does not, then first form of the verb and object. Question tone, do does will come in the beginning, then subject, then first form, then again object. So basically these three rules are of the simple present tense. Few examples are given over here. You can note it down. His wife sets the table. So here I want to tell you one thing about this point first. With he, she, it, name, we always use first form plus s or es. The same thing you are seeing over here. His wife. Who's his wife? She. Wife comes in the category of she. So that's why here set plus s means sets come. His wife sets the table. In the same way, I, we, you, and they are having only first form alone. So the same you can see in the second example or third example. I like fruit. Like is the first form, and I. We love flying kites. So we is there, simple, first form is alone over here. My son makes his bed. My son. Son comes in the category of he. So that's why we have added s in the first form. My son makes his bed. Let's come for the negative as you have read it over here. Subject plus do not and does not, it is written over here. Okay, let's continue for the negative. The same thing will be continued with he, she, it, name. We are going to use does for the negative as well as for the interrogatives. In the same way, I, we, you, they will be going with do. Okay, take care. He, she, it, name, does not or does, I, we, you, they do. Take care. I don't play chess. Okay. She, with she what was there? Does. She doesn't feel so good. It was also in upper category. It does not want to eat it. Next it is given over here interrogative rule. Do they speak English very well? Then question mark. Does she have black hair? Do you love me? So this is the basic point of simple present tense. Next we are going to do simple past tense. As you can see, three rules are again in front of you. Simple past, positive, we are having subject plus second form of the verb. Second form. Children, remember, in the simple present tense we were having first form. So this is the basic difference only. For negative, it is also become to the second form, subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. Okay, in present tense do and does was here. In past tense the second form of do is did come. So one thing more notice, did is already the second form of the verb. So here you can see then first form the writer has used or we have used. And in the same way interrogative form did comes. In the present we used in do and does for the interrogative, but now here did is used, and with the did again first form is here. So let's go through few examples. He met his wife. See children, here with I, we, you, they, he, she, it, name, we have used the second form of the verb. Okay, he met his wife with 6 years ago. They watched, again second form, a movie yesterday. You went, again second form, you went to the bed early. For the negative they have used did not. She did not study. Did not is the past and study is first form used over here. They had dinner last night. The police did not find, not found, the police did not find any clues. I became a teacher, not become. I became a teacher. He bought a new car. We studied very hard last night. I graduated from the university last year. So this is about the past tense. Let's continue about simple future. As you can see over here, rules are written again: positive, negative and interrogative. For positive rule, subject plus will plus first form plus object. This is the positive rule. As you can see, examples are over here. I will come, you will come, he will come, she will come, it will come, we will come, you will come, they will come. In the same way for negative, just add not after the helping verb. I will not come, you will not come, and so on. And for interrogative, will has been kept in the beginning of the sentence. Will I come, then question mark. Okay, like that we can tackle simple future tense.